Alright, what's up guys? Not much. Yeah, so I guess this last video you guys saw, you guys left a lot of comments on, I guess, where the channel direction should go, I guess what you guys wanted to see. So what I decided was we're kind of gonna just kind of chill on the MR2 stuff for a while, and as by the video title, I'm pretty sure you know we got a new car added to the channel, so I guess I'll introduce that in a second. But I guess I don't want to make this video too long, just kind of introduction to the car, what it is, and you might be able to guess it, but if not, I really just want to know, I guess, let's say, what we should do to the car that I got, and if we should still keep the MR2 going. If you guys want to see both, cool. If not, cool. If we'll just stick to the new car outside. So, yeah, so I guess just leave in a comment below whatever you think. If you think it's good, if you think it's not, what we should do to it, the plans. I really don't care. It really doesn't matter. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead and let's take a walk outside. Let's check the new whip out. So that's what you wanted. That's what you get. That's how the channel works. New car. You said you didn't like that one. We just got another one. And two, it's a good story behind how much I paid for it. I'll throw that in at the end because then you're gonna be like, "There's no way he paid that much for that car." Okay, well, all right, let's go check it. All right, so I know you guys want to know what kind of car I got. I guess here's the question: can you tell by the seats? Maybe. Let's see this. Can you tell by
the pedals? It does have a clutch, so it is 5-speed. I can tell you that.
But the next question is, can you tell what kind of car it is? I guess not. What about this? Maybe an Acura? Oh no! Whoa! I think you might know what it is. Whoa! Hold on. What's that? Do we get a Type R? Oh snap! We're in here. Not bad. Tan interior. Race car. So now the real question is, you guys are like, man, there's no way. Now the real question is, how much did he pay for this? Because you guys said you wanted a beater, wanted something we could work on. We got our manual RSX with our Pioneer radio in here. Back seats, full interior, beater. So, oh man, this thing ain't bad. It's not bad. Let's see, it even starts up. Look at that right here. Hold on, can we get you guys in here pretty good? Oh man, look at that Type R, man. This thing's nice, man. Woo! Little exhaust system. Not bad, man. It's clean. Nice low miles. Ah man. Sounds really crappy though. It's got like this Ricer exhaust. I mean, that's kind of what you get, what you pay for. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Well, that's it though. I'm not gonna lie though. Still, we got AC. I think what? Yeah. AC, power steering. Woo. Nice cold air. We got it all in here, man. Everything works surprisingly. So, I guess let's start off with, let's check the outside. Well, actually, let's see what the inside. The inside was freaking filthy. Like, this had, stains all over it and crap, but nice little wash. I haven't done too much to it, to be honest with you. The only thing I've done to it so far is I did the wash. This is the steering wheel out of my, out of my black RSX, because the steering wheel was, literally falling apart. So I threw on a new steering wheel. Didn't come with seat belts, so I put seat belts in it. Well, it didn't have a passenger seat belt. It had the driver belt, but that was it. So that's about it on the outside. But I guess let's we can take a look on the outside to see how that looks too. All right, so here she is. Not bad. A little windy, so don't mind the wind. But I mean, she's not bad. She's not that bad. Got a little black spoiler on here, you know. Oh, you know, little faded paint, you know. Other than that, though, I mean, she's not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Got her black wheels on here too. Man, look at these premiums, man. Paying good money for these. That's not too bad, man. The car is not that bad, guys. I mean, the only thing I had to do to it was, let's see, what did it do? What did I do on the outside? I was missing the window trims around these, the trims around the outside of the windshield. I think, what else did it need? Oh, it needed a new battery because that was dead. And it also needed a new, well, it didn't even need a new tire. It just, I put air in the other tire over there because it didn't have air in the tire. Other than that, though, guys, I mean, she's not bad. I think this is a pretty good starter for you guys. You said you wanted a nice little project to work on. I think this will be something we can really put together. So I guess whatever comments, you know, whatever you guys want to see in the bottom, leave them in the comments below. Whatever you guys want to see, all motor, turbo, I really don't care. I'm open to it. We'll knock it out. But don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, this is the car, guys. Runs and drives. I might get a pull in for you at the end. But all right, let's go ahead and get a pull. All right, let's try to get this thing on a little first gear snap. See this power there, man? That was just too much. All right, guys, and I guess the best thing you guys want to know, how much did I pay for this thing? I know you're not gonna believe it, but I'll roll it in right here. I saw it on Facebook. I just said, screw it. I left work, I went and got it. I had to get it, so I'll leave it right here. I know you're not gonna believe it, but yes, that's how much I paid for the car. It's crazy. I literally just drove up to the guy, signed the title, drove off. I mean, I really didn't care if it didn't run. I test drove it around his neighborhood. It worked, so I said, screw it, I'll get it. So here's our next project car. But all right, guys, later.